What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be checking out our film screen protectors, and we're going to be doing an install on this Tesla Model S and walking through the process of how to do it. And if you happen to miss our first video on these screen protectors, it goes over all the details about this product, and we're going to have that linked in the description below and the cards up above. Make sure to check that out if you haven't already. But these are going to come in a clear or a matte. The clear is going to appear just like your screen does now. The matte is just going to have some anti-glare properties when viewed from the side and just reducing any glare when light hits it. So today we're going to be installing the matte on this Tesla Model S, and I'm going to be walking you through the install. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is come into the controls here, go to display, and we're going to put this in screen clean mode. And this is just going to prevent us from touching a bunch of things as we're wiping on the screen to clean it, as well as when we're putting the screen protector on. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up this package. And inside we're going to find 3 screen protectors. I'm just going to go ahead and pull one out. You're also going to find this install and cleaning kit. We're going to be using this. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our install kit. And I'm just going to grab this wet wipe here and go ahead and clean our screen. I'm going to get any dust and fingerprints off of here. Now we can take this little microfiber cloth that's also in the install kit and just make sure this is dry and free of any dust or lint. Now when you pull the protector out, there's going to be a protective film cover on each side, so you don't need to worry about getting any fingerprints on this just yet. You'll also notice there's going to be a sticker on each side. This one has a number 1 on it. This one has a number 2, and we're going to peel this off before we put the screen protector on. Now you'll also notice these guide stickers that come in the install kit. I'm going to go ahead and pull 2 of these off, and I'm going to stick these to the side with the number 2 sticker. So I've got it set up just like this. There's a little tag end on each side, and we're going to use these to hold the screen protector while we're applying it. That way we don't have to put our fingers on the back side and get any fingerprints on the screen protector before we install it. So now we're going to go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to peel our number 1 off. And as you peel this off, just be careful not to touch the back side of this at all. So now I'm just going to use our guide stickers here to hold this from now on. And now all we've got to do is line this up with the edges or corners of the screen, and you can lay this down and pull it back up pretty easily. You're not going to mess anything up if you do it like that, so take your time and get it lined up nicely. And now we can just use a credit card or a squeegee or even your key to your Tesla to help you get some of these bubbles out. Now once you've worked out any bubbles, we can grab our number 2 here and just peel this cover off. And the install is complete. You can now enjoy our protected screen with reduced glare. So that is going to do it for us today on this one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment below. We'd be happy to help. If you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.